for having a golden plumage from their head down to its body and a green wings and also in their tails. They are said to be, or also called as little macaws because of their screeching calls. And in California, they are referred to as sometimes called as sand parakeets. Now, thank you, ma'am, and thank you, ma'am. Now I need another volunteer who has some money. Yes, we have another volunteer. Let's go ahead with Mr. Ryan, the Zumba Master. Please say all this, ma'am. And Mr. Sergio will lead you on that. Go ahead. Hold your hand in the one hand and please the next move. Hold set. Okay, now this time we introduce you our couple setting. How sweet, how lovely they are. So Sagittarius are monogamous type of bird, meaning in each pair they only have one partner for a lifetime. So sa katong mga dili mo to, why forever niya? Sa other is forever. Thank you. Thank you, buddies. Let me close your little house first. Hi, ma'am. Good morning. Welcome to the show. What's your name? Alcon. Okay, Miss Alcon. Since you already feed the bird, do you have now your money? Can you show your money up to that? Miss Alcon is a 1,000 peso bill. Okay, all you have to do with your money, ma'am, is hold your money to half 3 times. One more and one more. Likewise. Okay, that's it. So now, ma'am, the question is, are you fun watching Miss Universe every year? No. But this time if you move Miss Universe, is it okay? Okay, right. So, face that into society now. And follow me. Point to toe. Stretch your arm. Hold the money not so tight. Yan, nakita. And do not hold the money so tight. Okay? Stretch your arm. Heads up. And one hand in the hips. Okay, now this time, we're gonna Miss Universe. Now, I want you to meet the twin brother of Bonnie named Sunny, our another second. Hey, Sunny, is Alcon is a 1,000 peso bill. What will you do with money? What will you do with money, buddy? Fight to Miss Alcon? Yes, pick up the money. Fight back to Miss Sunny. Yes. And thank you, Sunny, and thank you. Bye-bye, 1,000. Now I need more money. The higher, the better. The higher, the better. Wala na yung volunteer? Wala na yung isa. Are you sure, Mom, you want to give the money to Sunny? Okay na lang daw. Actually, Mom, we're just kidding. So Sunny is a very, very good bird. So he will return your money. So again, point it so. Ako na sa tiyan. Okay? Stretch your arm, open your palm. So once Sunny will put the money in your palm, all you have to do is grab your money, not the bird. Okay? How about your one hand in the hips? And heads up. Okay. Now this time, I want you to call Sunny. Sunny, Sunny, can you return my money?
Sunny, Sunny, can you return my money?
Sunny, Miss Alcon is asking to return her money. And you got the money? Right back to Miss Debbie. Yes! Well, let's put a hand together to our kid and Bobby's and you, Sunny. Thank you, Mom. You may not take this. Thank you for your participation. Okay, so from California, let's fly to Brazil, South Africa, because we have here our dancing bird, our black African brown pig, vice ganda together with Spencer, Miss Janice. Don't be shy, Vice. Come on and show your dancing skills. So, Vice Ganda, we're gonna showcase his dancing skills. Hey, why don't you dance, Vice? Come on. Dance. Move your head birds up and down. So black African brown crane occurs in dry savanna of the Africa south of the Sahara. They are renowned for having a red patch under their eyes and wearing a golden crown. And as you know, that they are also the national bird of Uganda. And they are also, their wingspan can extend up to 6.8 feet, while their weight is an average of 3.6 kilograms. They love to stay in the highlands of the savanna, and they're the only aquatic birds that include the African savanna. And spread your wings and fly. So among all the cranes, if you're familiar with the cranes, among all the cranes, or your family of the cranes, they are the only cranes who can nest under the trees. Unlike any other cranes, na nest lang sila or lay eggs under the ground. So their diets, they love to eat platforms, seed heads, flower petals, reptiles, small animals, small mammals, arthropods, amphibians, and just like any other omnivorous type of bird. So they're considered as omnivores. And fine, why don't you go back to the demo? I think Vice Geta is so shy. And thanks. Look, that's how he's dancing. Okay, once again, a round of applause for black African brown crane, Vice Geta. So, in addition, there are two types of African crown crane in Africa. We have the black African crown crane and the gray African crown crane. So now we're down to the South Africa. Now let's move on to the Brazil, because we have here the wonder of the rainforest, our handsome Tuku-Tukan, Mr. Horn. So Mr. Horn or Tuka-Tukan is known for having a very, very colorful and a large bill. Some of you are wondering if their bills are heavy, but actually it's not. So their bills or beak is extremely light, made up of protein, keratin, just like our hairs and our nails. So they're also very good at catching their food. So they love to eat insects, especially praying monkeys and grasshopper. That is one of their favorite insects they love to eat. And they also love to eat fruits, small reptiles, small mammals, amphibians, and just like any other omnivorous type of bird. Now Miss Debbie prepared a slice of papaya fruit, and let's see how accurate Mr. Horn catching his food. Alright, Mr. Horn, are you ready to catch? I think he's still observing the surroundings. So sometimes if naghan kayo guess, ma-overwhelm po sila. And catch! One more round. One more time, Miss Debbie. Come on, Mr. Horn. And catch your food. Okay, very good. So they are renowned for having a very colorful and a large beak and a black color of its body and also in their tail. When they travel, they will just flop their wings and fly between branches. It's because they cannot sustain longer in the air, but it's because they only have a very, very short wings. As you can see, mumura kayo sila pakbo. So they will just hop until they'll reach a certain destination. And I think Mr. Horn want to go back to his home. Bye-bye, Mr. Horn. Okay, a round of applause for handsome Tuku-Tukan, Mr. Horn. Now let's meet Mr. Horn's friend, because we have here our yellow-brown Amazon parrot named Lani and Rudy, our mimicking bird. Together with the partner of the stage, Miss Rachel and Miss Dennis.
Alright, thank you, Mr. Monkey, and good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Now, I want you to meet our mimicking bird. This is Lani and this is Rodi, a yellow-crowned Amazon parrot. Now, mimic is the copy sound of what we hear every day. And yellow-crowned Amazon parrot is one of the most commonly killed Amazon due to its stalking ability and playfulness. Now, everyone, can you say hi? Hi! Hello. Again, say hi. Hi! Say hello. 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 Can you say hello? Hello. Hello. different sounds of the animals. Right, Miss Rachel?
Just like a rooster, cat, and a dog.
Yeah, so let's go for the rooster first. Say, cockroach! Oh, again, cockroach! How about cat? Cat. Again, cat. How about zebra? Can you bark? Again, bark. Telephone. Again, telephone. Aside from that, Lani and Rudy loves to sing. Ganahan din kaya sila makanta. But before that, mag-warm up po sa sila. Just like the other singers do. So, let's do the warm up. Come on, Rudy. So, la 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 la. Again. La 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 la. Ready na kaya sila makanta. But before that, who's celebrating their birthdays today? Or within this month? Come on, lift your hands. Wow, that's nice. So, you're learning because Rani and Rodi will gonna sing a happy birthday song. So, sing happy birthday now. To run on the second part of the show. Thank you, everyone.
Okay, thank you, Lenny and Rudy, and thank you, Miss Rachel and Miss Janice. So now you already witness the extraordinary skills of our cute, colorful, beautiful, fluffy birds. Now let's move on to the strong, fierce, and powerful birds. These are the birds of prey. So when we say birds of prey, top raptors like hawks, eagles, owls, kites, vultures, and many raptors are in it. So now, are you ready to witness the birds of prey? Okay. So for the first bird of prey is the diurnal bird of prey. The diurnal, meaning they're only active on daytime, or they do mostly of hunting of food on daytime. And for that, we need a lure. Handled by Mr. J. So magpanapling ang it's because this bird of prey has a very strong and sharp balance. Now the lure serves as the real food or the real prey, and let's see how this bird of prey catches his food. It's because we call it the good catcher bird of prey. Now Mr. J, are you ready? Okay, so everyone, keep your eyes alert because here he comes our Philippine hawk eagle named Hunter! Run, Mr. J! Oh! That's how fast! That's how fast, Mr. J! Or iyak na ginang ability, he has the strength and the power to catch his food easily. In exchange of the lure, Miss Debbie prepared a real food or the real prey because Hunter will not let go of the lure unless he has in exchange of the food or the real prey. They are considered as one of the endangered species in our country due to hunting and trade, habitat loss, and also due to degradation. As you can see of what happened in the Amazon fire, so daghan kayo og wildlife ang nawalan og shelter. So here in the safari, we serve them or we treat them as the ambassador. It's because dili na sila kinahanglan mulupad to fly miles and miles away to hunt for food. Here in the Cebu Safari, amo gid sila be well maintained and well fed. Okay, a round of applause for our Philippine hawk eagle named Hunter. So Hunter is all the way from the Philippines. Now let's move on to the nocturnal bird of prey.